Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. My name is Durgesh, and here you can see this is LG 49-inch 4K smart LED TV. Here we are facing a problem like when we are turning on. Here you can see that LG logo is completely hanging. See here. Now you can see the LG logo. If you turn on this around 2 hours also, it will not go to the next page. Completely hanging like this only. No response from the TV side. Whole day if you turn it on, it will stay in this logo only. So how to fix this logo hanging problem? Let's see. Friends, in this condition, if you press any button in the remote, it will not respond. Only power button is working. It will turn off when you are pressing the power button. When you are pressing again power button, it will turn on. That's it. Then no other response from the TV side. So mainly this problem from a motherboard. Let's see. Now I'm going to open this back cover. Here you can see, before opening, here you can see the model number 49UH6170. So this is our model number and this is our motherboard. So let's try after opening this TV. Friends, here you can see I already opened. This is our power supply. Then this is our Ticon board. This is a 4K Ticon board. Then this is our motherboard. So our main problem is causing from this motherboard itself. Friends, due to many reasons we will face this type of problem. First one is like main IC is there, right? If you remove that main IC and again you do rebolling and all, then you can solve this type of problem. Otherwise, if you remove this RAM IC, if you replace that RAM IC, you can solve this type of problem. Other problem is like nearby many resistance are there. If any one of the resistance will increase, means you can face this type of problem. In my case, I have this same motherboard. I am directly replacing this motherboard itself. Simply, I'm not going to do some jugaad and all. Simply it is a waste of time. That's why I'm directly replacing this motherboard. So that is all about my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.